First, you start with the introduction, like who all study here, how, and we'll take them a tour. How boys stay, how they study, how they play. This one.
We have 30 students in Gurukul, and this is gonna be. I'm gonna show you what they do and how they study, how they play, how they chant, how they do sadhana, and
Okay.
their schedule.
ଓକେ ଏଇଠି 30 ଜଣ ପିଲା ପଢ଼ୁଛନ୍ତି ତ ସିଏ ଏବେ ଆମକୁ ବୁଝେଇବେ କେମିତି ସେମାନେ ପଢ଼ୁଛନ୍ତି କୋଉଠି ସେମାନେ ବାକି ସେବା କରୁଛନ୍ତି ସାଧନା କୋଉଠି କରୁଛନ୍ତି ଖେଳୁଛନ୍ତି କୋଉଠି ତ ସେଇଟା ଆମକୁ ଏବେ ସେ ନେଇଯିବେ
This is the basketball court. In the free time, the boys play basketball.
What time you are free time?
From 2:20 to 3:05.
ଓକେ ଏଇଟା ହେଲା ବାସ୍କେଟବଲ୍ କୋର୍ଟ ଏଠି ସେମାନେ ଖରାବେଳେ ଫ୍ରି ଥିଲାବେଳେ ଖେଳନ୍ତି
That's the gym. Only teachers are allowed to do gym.
Only teachers.
Yes.
ଓକେ
This all?
And this hall is for like yoga. We do yoga or
What time?
during physical education class from 3:45 to 4:15
Afternoon.
p.m.
ତ ସେମାନେ ୟୋଗା କରନ୍ତି ବା କିଛି ଫିଜିକାଲ ଏଜୁକେସନ୍ କ୍ଲାସେସ୍ ହୁଏ ତାଙ୍କର କ୍ଲାସ୍ର ପାର୍ଟ 3:45 ସନ୍ଧ୍ୟାରେ ସେଇ ସମୟରେ ହୁଏ ଆଜି ସଣ୍ଡେ ହଲିଡେ
You can take your shoes off and keep them here.
ଏଠି ଜୋତା ରଖିଦେବ ତଳେ ତାପରେ ଉପରକୁ ଯିବା ଆମେ ଜୟ ଶିଲ ପ୍ରଭୁପାଦ କି
एक कर बता कर जाओ.
हाँ वो
One
करें
to one you can speak like this one, that one, that one.
No, they're all same.
Here you are doing judging or something?
No, no. This is the place where this is the kitchen. The big one is the kitchen, and the smaller ones are the huts where the boys eat. We eat here.
Eat here.
They set up the mats around, like here. They put the prasadam in the middle,
Okay.
and then two boys
How
serve.
many student you are sitting?
14 people in one hut.
14 student.
Yes. But we are more loose, like.
little close like this it's not audible like this
Oh.
make the sound full so ଏଇ ଜାଗାରେ ଭକ୍ତମାନେ ମାନେ ତାଙ୍କର ଗୁରୁକୁଲ ପିଲାମାନେ ଏଇଠି ରୋଷେଇ କରନ୍ତି ଏଇଠି ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ ରୋଷେଇ ଜିନିଷ ଏଠି ସବୁ ଅଛି ଏଠି ରୋଷେଇ ହୁଏ ଇନ୍ କାଉଡଙ୍ଗ କେକ୍ସ
Yes, cow dung.
କାଉଡଙ୍ଗ କେକ୍ ଗୋବର କେକ୍ସରେ ହୁଏ ଆଉ ଏଇଠି ବସିକି ସବୁ ପ୍ରସାଦ ପାଆନ୍ତି ମଝିରେ ପ୍ରସାଦ ରହିବ ତାପରେ ଯେଉଁ ଉଠାଣି ଏକ ହେଇଛି ବାକି 14 ଜଣ ପାଖାପାଖି ଏଇଠି ବସନ୍ତି ପିଲାମାନେ ଏମିତି 2ଟା 3ଟା କୋଟିର ଅଛି ବସିକି ପ୍ରସାଦ ପାଇବାକୁ
1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 है
many କୋଟିସ୍ ହରେ କୃଷ୍ଣ
Many.
किचन दा खत्म नेचुरल किचन गोबर
This is the kitchen. This is actually like,
चारटा चूल्हा लगी छला एक्चुअली 4 चूल्हा लगिला
yeah, we have 4 stoves. They put the pot on top. The pot is very big, so
व्हाट इज योर आइटम
for lunch they drink milk and muri.
लंच
No, breakfast. And then for
व्हाट
breakfast,
टाइम आर टेकिंग प्रसाद
breakfast we have at 8.
you reach here at
what
what
is your
time
item
ମାନେ ଆଗ ଦିନ ଷ୍ଟାର୍ଟ କେମିତି ହୁଏ you tell that
Okay, we come at 5:30. We have Mangalarti, Nrisimharti, Tulsi Arti, Japa, then Guru Puja, Darshanarti. Then we have mantra class. After mantra class, we have breakfast.
व्हाट इज योर आइटम बताओ
We have different prasadam every day. Every week we have different prasadam. Like on Monday we have milk. Tuesday we have like poha.
ओनली मिल
No, Tuesday poha.
ओनली पोहा
Poha chutney,
they
banana.
make it lunch more opulent
मु सकाळ खाउथ ना
Then Wednesday also milk again, milk and muri and banana. Then in Thursday we have this
ओके लंच
lemon rice and green chutney.
लंच
Lunch we usually have every day rice, dal, chachari,
खिचड़ी
and one sabji, and sometimes sweet. This is our
Who
lunch.
cooks? Who cooks?
The Prabhujis, we have Prabhuji, devotee Prabhujis, they cook,
Okay.
and because we have no time to cook, we are focused in studies and our schedule. Dinner, no, we don't have dinner. We go home at
What
4:30.
time lunch you are taking?
At 1:20.
1:20. At night, no? Only milk or something?
Sorry?
Milk, we are taking milk
No,
at night?
No.
Nothing.
1:20 we have lunch. Then at lunch we have usually rice. I told already.
You do.
Yes,
I'll
right.
tell in Odia. So एमाने 5:30 सकाळे आसंती गुरुकुलटा रेसिडेंशियल नुह आउ एबे ओनली जो माने मायापुर जहाँ पेरेंट्स माने रहुचंती तांको पिला माने एठी पढ़ी परिबे आगु रेसिडेंशियल थिला तो एबे से माने आसंती तापरे सकाळे प्रसाद से माने तांकर कुक्स अछंती डिवोटी कुक्स से माने आसी एठी बनांती तो विभिन्न दिन विभिन्न मेनू लाइट करती से पोहा ना क्षीर मुढ़ी ये तो सकाळे एटा हुए ब्रेकफास्ट आ खरा बेले अन्न डाली चढ़चड़ी मिठा सब्जी ये हुए आउे से 4:30 बेले पुणी एट 4:30
We go home.
तापर से घर को पलाती 4:30 रे 4:30 PM रे पलाती हाँ
आगु रहुथिले तो एथिबे एठी होतला एबे सेला बंद कर दिया केन प्रॉब्लम
हाँ ठीक अच्छे एबे तापर आमे जिबा 5:30 रे ता मंगल आरती होछि तो से बुझेबे कोठी कोठी मंगल आरती होछि कोन होछि यू एक्सप्लेन मोर Purushottam Prabhu, last time when we came, Krishna Vijay Prabhu told us that these steps are made like this so that the brain gets sharpened in their childhood if they walk like that.
Yes, the Gurukul is also built like it's actually very smartly built.
हाँ.
There's many reasons for everything.
हाँ.
Yes.
तो ये गुरुकुल बहुत माने सुंदर तरीके रे तैयारी हिची आपण देखते यार गठन बहुत अलग प्रकार सीढ़ी गुडी को केते अलग प्रकार तो एटा एक्चुअली पिल्लार मस्तिष्क को डेवलप करिया पे आहुरी से स्टेप्स गुडा हे बळी हेछि आ प्रत्येक डिजाइन या पछर सब साइंटिफिक रीजंस रहिछि काहे के परि हेछि
This is the vegetable garden.
अच्छा
The boys, they do gardening if they want, but otherwise the
only here they are doing outside. I have seen outside they were doing also.
yes, there's more here. Then we have Varnashram fields. Then behind this building, there's more. It's like a jungle. It's like full of banana trees, lychee trees, mango trees, vegetable, and flower trees, fruits trees.
ओके एठी हला वेजिटेबल्स पिल्ला माने जदि चाहंती एठी लगे पारंती गछ पत्र आ सेपटे भी आउरी फील्ड अछि बहुत सारा कदली गछ भी अछि तो जोठी जवान हमर इच्छा पिल्ला माने गार्डनिंग करि परिबे
In this hut, they put rice inside this hut.
this hut
Yes, this hut.
here we keep here rice is
भक्ति
kept
सिद्धांत भी सेठी अछि
it हाँ
धान भी रखन धान रखन
हाँ okay next we'll go okay
This is the kitchen pump.
कहिबे धीरे धीरे कहिबे हाँ
The boys wash the vessels after the Prabhuji's cook. We need to wash.
yes
So after eating prasad, the boys need to wash, help washing.
okay
That's the
सेवा
seva.
प्रसाद पाइला परे पॉट्स गुड़िक आउ तांकर बासन कुसन सब आसी एई जगह रे धुआ जाए पिला माने धुअंती आसी कि एटा स्कूल पिला माने धुअंती एठी एई भली गोड़ टाइम भली साइड रे रखिबो त चढ़िबो नहले बसी की चढ़िबो
एरा सुंदर है ना
बहुत यूनिक स्टाइल रे सीढ़ी गुड़ी को हेची
ये एडा भई नोडा
जहाँ फल आपण को आउ घर कथा मन पड़बनी नहले मन पड़ो कौन चलची कौन नहीं एटी सीढ़ी देखी भूल जीवे आपण आमे मंदिर रे पहुंची गलेनी हरि बोल
हरि बोल क्या पंचतत्व and सारी this
Yes, I will tell everything. Oh, yes, sure, no problem. Oh my gosh, it's so dark. Oh, no problem, man.
प्रणाम करो प्रणाम करो सबुरा शालग्राम को आरंभ करेंगे
से बुझेबे कौन कौन डिटेल्स अछंती
So actually, each deity has a background.
पर्सनली प्रति विक्रमकर किछि बैकग्राउंड रहिछि कोन टेल
So I'll start with this Panchatattva. This Panchatattva deities is actually very special because it's made out of the same metal like the Panchatattva in the main altar. Exact same metal.
ओके पंचतत्व सेही धातु रे तयारी जोटा हमर मेन अल्टर अछंती
Then in the middle platform, there is one dome-like pot in the right corner. Inside that pot, there is the holy waters from all the India's holy rivers.
ता तळे देखिए पंचतत्व गदाधर को तळे गोटे अछि गोटे पॉटटे सेही माठिया फरुआरे सेठी रहिछि सबु जक
तीर्थ जल
तीर्थ जल भारतर जेते नदी अछंती ता जल
Then in the left corner and middle platform, there is one picture of the Swamis, Goswamis and yes, Saragoswami and the Guru Parampara. And then under that picture, wrapped inside cloth, there is some Maha from Rup Sanatan Goswami 500 years ago, like pieces of clay pot of his own how do you call this thing?
कमंडलू
Kamandalu. Like we have pieces of his Kamandalu originally from his time.
ओके आउ नित्यानंदଙ୍କ तळे आपण देखिबे सेठी गोटे गुरु परंपरा कर पटचित्र रहिछि ता तळे गोटे कपडाटे रहिछि से कपडा भितरे रहिछि सब महाप्रसाद महा आइटम्स रूप सनातन गोस्वामी और अन्य वृंदावन हमर गोस्वामी मानकर 500 वर्ष पुराना ताकर कमंडलू ताकर क्ले आइटम्स सब एठी जहा से माने यूज करछन तार महा आइटम्स अछि
Then in the last platform there is one deity of Srila Prabhupada, and next to Srila Prabhupada there is one deity of Namacharya Haridas Thakur.
तापरे तळे आपण देखिए शिल प्रभुपाद विग्रह अछि एवं तापरे नामाचार्य शिल हरिदास ठाकुर कर मद विग्रह अछि
Here there is a picture of Yoga Maya.
एठी योग मायाकर पिक्चर अछि आगरे गोटे मूर्ति अछि
Yeah. And then that murti is Hanumanji.
हरि बोल
चलो आगे चलो
Here there is Nrsimhadev coming out of pillar, Sthan Nrsimhadev, Sthanu Nrsimhadev. He's coming out of pillar. This Nrsimhadev is actually a replica of the main temple Nrsimhadev. It's in same position, same face. Also 8 arms. Each arm has same weapons like in that in the main temple. But it's just smaller in size and coming out of the pillar. Otherwise it's same, like in the same position like the main temple Nrsimhadev.
सेही जो नृसिंहदेव अपन देखुचंती खंबर बाहर चंती से एकदम सेम आम मंदिर रे जो नृसिंहदेव अछंती मायापुर मंदिर रे तो सेही विग्रह कर पूरा पोजीशन ताकर हाथ रे सेही अस्त्र सब धरचंती सेही भली पूरा देखिया को
Then next to Sthanu Nrsimhadev, there is one more Nrsimhadev, Shalagram Shila in his right side. It's actually one Nrsimha Shalagram inside this decoration of Anantashesh and his big crown. But it's actually just one Shila. But they decorate it so nicely, it looks like a deity.
ओ एटा वास्तव रे गोटे शालाग्राम शिला जोटा स्थानु नृसिंह जो खंबर बाहर चंती किंतु लागुची जे एटा हला केवल एक विग्रह किंतु एठी मध्य
तले जोड़ा मोरा नृसिंह रही अछि सेटा
हाँ जोटा नृसिंहदेव तले डाण पादरे तांकर सेटा
तोलाई देखा
हाँ।
Then in left side of Nrsimhadev, more Shalagram Shilas. It's all Nrsimha Shalagrams. We're actually not sure about the names, but we just know that there are Nrsimhadev Shalagram Shilas. All Nrsimhadev Shalagram
ଆଉ
Shilas.
ସବୁ ଏଠି ନୃସିଂହ ଶିଳା ସବୁ ଅଛି ତାର ସବୁ ବିଭିନ୍ନ ନାଁ ରହିଛି ପ୍ରଭୁଜୀଙ୍କର ନାଁ ଏତେ ସ୍ମରଣ ହେଲାନି।
Then here in middle platform there is one more Nrsimha deity of him ripping Hiranyakashipu, I think so.
ଏଠି ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ହିରଣ୍ୟକଶିପୁ ମଝିରେ ନୃସିଂହଦେବ ଅଛନ୍ତି ସେ ହିରଣ୍ୟକଶିପୁକୁ ବଧ କରୁଛନ୍ତି।
And then under that Nrsimhadev there is more Shalagrams, Nrsimhadev Shalagrams.
ଆଉ ତଳେ ମଧ୍ୟ ଆହୁରି ବହୁତ ସାରା ନୃସିଂହ ଶାଳଗ୍ରାମ ବିଗ୍ରହ ମାନ ନୃସିଂହ ଶାଳଗ୍ରାମ ସବୁ ଅଛି ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କର ବିଭିନ୍ନ ବିଭିନ୍ନ ପ୍ରକାରର ଭଙ୍ଗୀରେ ତାଙ୍କର ମୁଖ ଅଛି ପାଟି ଗୁଡ଼ିକ ସବୁ ଅଲଗା ଅଛି ହଁ, ବହୁତ ସୁନ୍ଦର।
Then that's Lakshmi Nrsimhadev. This Lakshmi Nrsimhadev is very special. Like for any big festivals, Nrsimhadev festivals, like the day before Nrsimha Chaturdasi, they do oil yagya,
ଅଭିଷେକ
Abhishek. They do to this Nrsimhadev actually. They bring him to the main temple. They do Abhishek together with this temple, this Nrsimhadev deity.
ତ ଏଇ ଯେଉଁ ଡାହାଣ ପଟେ ଯେଉଁ ଲକ୍ଷ୍ମୀ ନୃସିଂହ ଅଛନ୍ତି ତ ଇଏ ମଧ୍ୟ ବହୁତ ସ୍ପେଶିଆଲ ତ ଆମ ମନ୍ଦିରରେ ଯେଉଁ ସବୁ ନୃସିଂହ ଅଏଲ ଆପଣ ଦେଖୁଛନ୍ତି ସବୁ ପାଆନ୍ତି ତ ୟାଙ୍କର ଅଭିଷେକ ହୁଏ ଇଏ ମନ୍ଦିରକୁ ଯାଆନ୍ତି ଆଉ ବଡ଼ ବିଗ୍ରହ ଆଉ ୟାଙ୍କର ଅଭିଷେକ ହୁଏ।
Next to this Nrsimhadev is Yantras. He's surrounded by Yantras.
ଦେର
Yeah, around Lakshmi Nrsimhadev.
ଲକ୍ଷ୍ମୀ ନୃସିଂହ ଚାରି ପାଖରେ ସବୁ ବିଭିନ୍ନ ଯନ୍ତ୍ର ଗୁଡ଼ିକ ରହିଛି। Yes.
Then in middle platform, there's one more small Lakshmi Nrsimhadev deity. He's the main deity of Gurukul. He's our main deity. All the offerings go to him.
ଆଉ ଆଉ ସେଇ ନୃସିଂହ ଲକ୍ଷ୍ମୀ ନୃସିଂହଙ୍କ ଠିକ୍ ତଳେ ପାଦ ତଳେ ଗୋଟିଏ ଛୋଟ ବିଗ୍ରହ ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ଅଛି ନୃସିଂହଦେବଙ୍କର ସିଏ ହେଲେ ମେନ୍ ବିଗ୍ରହ ଏ ଗୁରୁକୁଳର ସବୁ ଯାହା ଭୋଗ ବା ଯାହା ବି ଅଫରିଂ କରାହୁଏ ତାଙ୍କୁ ହିଁ ଅର୍ପଣ କରାଯାଏ।
In that small Lakshmi Nrsimhadev's right side, we have Varahadev. This Varahadev, in Varahadvadashi, they take this Varahadev and give Abhishek to him, give Bhoga, and then he comes back here. Right side, Varahadev.
ତ ସେଇଠି ନୃସିଂହଦେବଙ୍କର ବାଁ ପାଦ ପାଖରେ ଆପଣ ଦେଖିବେ ବା ଆମ ଡାହାଣ ପଟେ ବରାହଦେବଙ୍କର ଗୋଟେ ଛୋଟ ବିଗ୍ରହ ଅଛି ସେ ତାଙ୍କୁ ବରାହ ଦ୍ୱାଦଶୀରେ ବିଗ୍ରହକୁ ଭୋଗ ଦିଆଯାଏ ସବୁ ଅର୍ପଣ କରାଯାଏ ଅଭିଷେକ ସବୁ କିଛି।
Then in the left side, left corner, there is one deity of Hayagriva.
ଆଉ ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ବିଗ୍ରହ ଅଛି ହୟଗ୍ରୀବଙ୍କର ଏଠି ମଧ୍ୟ ବାଁ ପଟେ ଆମର।
Then in the last platform, there is Sudarshan Nrsimhadev in the middle. Nrsimhadev with one big Sudarshan in the back, and then he has 4 hands, and each hand has one Sudarshan chakra.
ଦ ଚକ୍ର ଫର୍ମ।
Yes, Sudarshan Nrsimha.
ଆଉ ତଳେ ମଧ୍ୟ ଆଉ ଗୋଟିଏ ନୃସିଂହଦେବ ଅଛନ୍ତି ଯାହାଙ୍କର 4ଟି ହସ୍ତ ରହିଛି ଆଉ ପ୍ରତ୍ୟେକ ହାତରେ ସେ ଅସ୍ତ୍ର ଚକ୍ର ହିଁ ଧରିଛନ୍ତି ପ୍ରତ୍ୟେକ ହସ୍ତରେ ଚକ୍ର ସିମ୍ବଲରେ ଯେଉଁଟା ହେଇଛି ତଳେ ନୃସିଂହଟା।
Then there is one more Nrsimha Shalagram in left corner,
ତାଙ୍କର ପାଖରେ ଆଉ ଗୋଟିଏ ନୃସିଂହ ଶାଳଗ୍ରାମ ମଧ୍ୟ ରହିଛି।
and in right corner, that's Nrsimhadev's shield from the main temple. This shield, all the pujaris tried to put it on Nrsimhadev, but it fell down all the time. It kept on falling.
ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ସିଲ୍ଡ ଦେଖୁଛନ୍ତି ଆପଣ ଯେଉଁ ଯୋଦ୍ଧାମାନେ ରକ୍ଷା କରିବାକୁ ୟୁଜ୍ କରନ୍ତି ତ ସେଇଟା ନୃସିଂହଦେବଙ୍କର ସିଲ୍ଡଟା ଯେଉଁଟା ବଡ଼ ମନ୍ଦିରରେ ରହିଥିଲା ନୃସିଂହଦେବ ଲଗେଇବାକୁ ଗଲା ପରେ ସେଇଟା ବାରମ୍ବାର ତଳକୁ ପଡ଼ିଯାଉଥିଲା ଭାଲା ଯେଉଁ କହୁଛନ୍ତି ଢାଲା ଢାଲ ତ ସେଇଟା ଏଇଠି ରହିଛି ତାଙ୍କୁ ଏଇଠି ରଖାଇଛି ଆଣିକି ଯେଉଁଟା
Yes.
ବଡ଼ ମନ୍ଦିରରେ ନୃସିଂହଦେବଙ୍କର ଥିଲା ସେଇଟା।
Then they gifted to us because they thought Nrsimhadev doesn't want.
ହଁ ତାପରେ ସେମାନେ ଏଇଟା ଗୁରୁକୁଲ ପିଲାଙ୍କ ଉପରେ ଖୁସି ହେଇକି ତାଙ୍କୁ ଦେଇଦେଇଛନ୍ତି।
Here there's picture of Sandipani Muni, Krishna's teacher. Here.
ହଁ ଏଇ ମଝିରେ ଖମ୍ବ ପାଖରେ ଶାନ୍ତିପନି ମୁନିଙ୍କର ଫଟୋ ଚିତ୍ର ରହିଛି ଯେମିତି ସେପଟେ ରହିଥିଲା ଯୋଗମାୟା ଆଉ ହନୁମାନ।
Here in this altar we have deity of picture of Radha Madhav in main temple. Next to Radha Madhav in the right side we have Giriraj Shilas, the Govardhan Shilas. Then in the left side of Radha Madhav there's Gopal Shila.
This side is Gopal.
Yes, left side Gopal and then right side Giriraj.
अच्छा तो ये मझिरे राधा माधव रही तापरे एपट रही गोपाल गोपाल शालग्राम एपट रही गिरिराज शालग्राम
Then in middle platform there is Nilachal Jagannath, and then there is Sudarshan Chakra next to Jagannath.
There is a Shila and a stone.
That Shila is no Dwaraka Shila.
आ गोटे से अच्छी द्वारका शिला तापरे सुदर्शन तापरे पतित पावन जगन्नाथ.
Then in right corner the small Shila, that's Surabhi Shila. Surabhi Shila. Yes. Surabhi in Shila form. Yes.
From Surabhi Kund.
Surabhi cow in Shila form.
सुरभि गायकर विग्रह रूप से अच्छा सुरभि शिला.
Then in the left corner there's one deity Vigraha of Krishna and Balaram, black deity. Together Krishna Balaram.
बाँ पटे अपन देखिए से द्वारका शिला पाखरे जो रही से कृष्ण बलराम कर शिला गोटे कला कलर दुईटी शिला.
Then in the last platform there is one Shivalingam.
आ सभा तले आप देखिए शिवलिंग रही.
It's Gopeshwar Mahadev.
से गोपेश्वर महादेव. हरे कृष्ण.
Next to Gopeshwar Mahadev there is one bell with Nandi on top.
आ पाखरे गोटे बेल रही नंदी बसुंट.
Then we have one Yagya Kunda there in the middle. They do Yagya here every morning.
ये यज्ञ कुंड रही जो यज्ञ हुए प्रत्येक दिन सका. They'll sit there. They'll take photo from there.
Photo uठावा.
हाँ. He wants to study here. He's saying. Will it be allowed?
You need to take it.
Yeah, come. Mr. Colley. Take. Come.
Why?
Namaste Narasimhaya.
If that mic is
You will do kirtan.
it's not allowed.
I'm not sure, but we need to finish the tour.
He's saying we have to finish the tour on Dhariju to finish tour. One time he'll say.
Yes, no problem.
Jaya Sila Tanka Jaya Jata Jata Jami Tato Nusingha Jaya Jata Jata Jami Tato Nusingha Hare Nusingha Hrudaye Nusingha Hare Nusingha Hrudaye Nusingha Narasingha Marim Saranam Prapade Jaya Tavatara Kamalavare Nata Madhuta Sunda Jayita Hiranyakasipu Tanubhanga Kesavadruta Narahari Rupa Jaya Jagdisha Hare Jaya Jagdisha Hare Jaya Jagdisha Hare की
जय
रघुनाथ भानु सिंह देव की राज प्रणाम महाराज की
जय
गुरु शिला प्रभुपाद की
जय
समस्त प्रणाम करंतु जहाँ जहाँ भक्ति पत्र विघ्न से नाश है जो भगवान प्रार्थना करे थी
Principal said no problem.
कामना करी प्रार्थना करो सब भक्ति बाधा
He said no problem.
हरे
I didn't know. I thought
He said no
something was
problem.
wrong.
ठीक है.
तो ये सब भक्त मैंने डेली प्रार्थना करती तो ये नृसिंहदेवंकर शिलांकर बहुत महत्व रही छोट पिला माने नृसिंहदेवंकर सेवा कले तांकर भौतिक आसक्ति बहुत जल्दी कटि जाए से आप देखिए सब अल्टर रे प्राय नृसिंहदेव रही नृसिंहदेवंकर बहुत आम भक्ति साधन रे बहुत गुरुत्व मध्य रही सेरा पुरुषोत्तम प्रभु कहते
Let's continue.
आसतु आगो को एपट को
This way. I want to turn that light off.
ये प्रत्येक दिन यज्ञ हुए
So you can
अच्छा
stand here for 1 minute. I'll turn the light off.
ओके एठी यज्ञ कुंड रु आपण माने टिके लगे पारि आपण मस्तक रे भूषित करन
दिन केते मंत्र
एपट को आसतु सब एपट को आमे जोड़े अच्छु आसन ओलांतु धीरे धीरे
Okay.
हाँ एठी रही जांतु हाँ आसतु ओलेबे धीरे धीरे ओलेबे Purushottam Prabhu, what is this? You didn't say these huts.
Oh, these huts. I'm not sure why they built these huts, but I think they built these huts for like.
They practice Mridanga there. I saw that last time.
Yes, yes. Yeah. In Mridanga class, they practice in the small huts. This is the ashram hut. The boys keep their stuff inside. There are many almarias inside. And then in the daytime, the boys keep their clothes, their books, their plates for prasadam, their.
Okay, they rest also here?
Yes, they play games sometimes.
We'll go there. No, okay. Wherever you can take. No, we'll go there then this year.
That's the classroom building.
एटी सब क्लास हुए और इटा हला तांको रेस्ट एवं तांको जिंस पत्र एटी रहे सब अलमीरा अछि लॉकर्स अछि ए भितरे एटी सब अछि और एपटे क्लासरूम बिल्डिंग टा एटा अर्लियर दे यूज्ड टू स्टे इन दिस हट ओनली ना
Yes, when there was ashram.
Huh? Earlier they were staying there, na?
Yes,
Some
when there was
stones are there like that on floor.
When there was ashram, they.
हाँ, I saw that. China. It आगू पड़े हाँ
This is the
हाँ let other
Bhajan Kutir house of His Holiness Suhotra Swami.
ओ ये जो घरटा एठी रही तो से जीवित से एवं शिल प्रभुपाद अन्यतम शिष्य गुरु सुहोत्र महाराज कर एटा गोटे तार भजन कुटीर एठी अछि
अच्छा तळरा ना
हाँ से रहउतले माने से त सुहोत्र महाराज ही हैज माने डिसअपियर्ड
Yes, his samadhi is there. I will show you later.
तांको समाधि मध्ये रही शिष्य सुहोत्र स्वामी महाराजंकर एटा भजन कुटीर तांकर
समाधि
Samadhi
he will show
outside.
outside तांकर समाधि अछि
Then down there is the shower area. The boys take bath, and then
yes
this is the
एपटे
toilets.
एठी भक्त माने जो हमर गुरुकुल पिल्ला माने एठी स्नान आदि करन्ते तांकर एठी सब रही आउ तळे वॉशरूम्स मध्ये रही एटा
छावनी हो गई लाइट
And this hut, it's supposed to be the second ashram hut. It's supposed to be same like that one, but this one is getting renovated. It's under construction.
ସେଇଭଳି ଯୋଉଟା ସେମିତି ତଳେ ଯୋଉ ଆଶ୍ରମ ହଟ୍ ଥିଲା ଏଇଟା ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ହଟ୍ ଏଇଠି ଥିଲା ଏଇଠି ଏବେ ରିନୋଭେସନ ଚାଲିଛି
छावनी हो
ଆଗରୁ ଯେତେବେଳେ ଭକ୍ତମାନେ ଗୁରୁକୁଲ ପିଲାମାନେ ରହୁଥିଲେ ସେମାନେ ଏଇ ହଟ୍ସ ଗୁଡ଼ା ରହୁଥିଲେ ତ ଆପଣ ଦେଖିପାରିବେ ତଳର ଷ୍ଟ୍ରକ୍ଚରଟା ପିଲାମାନେ କାହା ଉପରେ ଶୁଅନ୍ତି କ'ଣ କରନ୍ତି
You can go inside.
ଭିତରକୁ ଯାଇପାରିବ ଏଇଠି ଏଠି ଦିପଟେ ଏମିତି ଶୁଅନ୍ତି ମାନେ ମଝିଟା ରୋଡଟା ହଁ ନା ଏଇଟା ଆଉ ଶୋଇବେନି ଏବେ ତ ରହୁନାହାନ୍ତି ଏଠି ରାତିରେ ଆଉ ଏବେ ତ ଓନ୍ଲି ରେସିଡେନ୍ସିଆଲ ନୁହଁ ଡେ ସ୍କୁଲ
लंबा लंबा सेगुड़ा सब काटिंग हो गया अधिक पड़े हाँ क्या जो मोटा स्ट्रंग अच्छी सरुरा ताको रखा जानी एपटे गता होता सब से गता जो आम एमआई रे
ଏଠି ଆମେ ଦେଖିଲେ ଏଇ ମଝିରେ ଆମେ ଚାଲିକି ଆସୁଛେ ଦିପଟେ ସେମାନେ ଶୋଉଥିଲେ ପିଲାମାନେ ଆଉ ସେ ଯୋଉ ଗୋଲ ଗୋଲ ପଥର ଯୋଉ ଆପଣ ସଜାନ୍ତି ସବୁ ଗଛ ତଳେ ସେ ପଥରଟା ଏଠି ପଡ଼ିଥିଲା ତ ସେଇ ଉପରେ ସେମାନେ ଏଇ ଯୋଉ ମ୍ୟାଟ୍ ପକାନ୍ତି ଗୋଟେ ମ୍ୟାଟ୍ଟେ ପଡ଼ିଛି ସେ ଯୋଉ ଗୁରୁକୁଲରେ ପଡ଼ିଥିଲା ଯୋଉ କ୍ଲାସ୍ ମନ୍ଦିରରେ ସେ ମ୍ୟାଟ୍ ଗୁଡ଼ା ପଡ଼ିଥାଏ ସେ ପଥର ଉପରେ ତା ଉପରେ ଶୋଇଲେ ମାନେ ପିଲାର ହେଲ୍ଥ ପାଇଁ ବହୁତ ଭଲ ହଁ
हाँ मैम हाँ से पकाई शीतल
Just move a little bit.
ମାନେ ସେ ପଥର ଉପରେ ସେ ଶୀତଳ ପଟ୍ଟିଟା ପଡ଼ିଥାଏ ଆଉ ଏଇଟା ଏଇ ପଥର ଗୁଡ଼ା ୟା ଉପରେ ପଟ୍ଟି ପକେଇକି ଶୁଅନ୍ତି ପିଲାମାନେ
This is the Tulsi garden. What happened? Ayo! He's full of
so many ओहो ठीक है खोल दियो सार्ट
यदि काम तो सेते तार रिएक्शन अधिक हो माने मान भाई तो महु माछ
किछि ना किछि गले मायापुर कम्युनिटी हॉस्पिटल जीवा
माने एक्शन ता बहुत अरे रे आखिर जेन सत्य जेन ता पूरा मु भाई तो महु माछ घेरी गेल कैमरा को
सेपा देठी रहिबो
आस आस पड़ आस सेपट अच्छी जीवा पे रास्ता
एट सब आस्ते आस्ते आसीबे तो ये तुलसी चौरा आमर ये पिंपुड़ी रही तलु ही रही चौरा प्रणाम
ये भारी
हाँ बड़ नाली पिंपुड़ी गुड़ी पूरा
आंब गछ रुहंती आंब गछ सब गाई को
बहुत सुंदर है तुलसी चौरा ये आगुर हियर यूज्ड टू बी बिग ट्री ऑफ तुलसी
Yes, yes.
हाँ
Now they renovated the tree and became smaller. Then this is like surrounded by flower trees. This is all flower trees. This is one flower tree. I forgot the name of it. That's Kandaraj. Sugandharaj. Yes, yes, Sugandharaj.
Yes, Kamarala Kanam
तो ये थाक टगर आउटे सुगंधराज फूल अच्छी
Then that's the fish pond.
ये माछ रोचंती सब पानी रे नहीं जीवन के
Now you can come out from this way.
एपटे आम बाहर ठीक अच्छे एपटे सब फूल बगीचा चारि पाखे रही आम एपट बाहर ओल्ल एपट बाहर कोपटे दिस वे
That way. The
दैट वे माताजी से पटे ओल्लैबा हाँ ठीक अच्छे
चलो चलो
तो बहुत बढ़िया एठी रही तुलसी चौरा फूल गछ एठी तांकर हमें स्कूल को जाउछे हमें तांकर क्लासरूम्स
କହିଲି ଯେ ପୁରା ଯିବ
here the this connector अच्छा डिजिटेक्टर लागिनी एठी देखि दियो कान पुरुषोत्तम प्रभु को डिजिटेक्टर लागिनी खोजी दियो से पाखर पड़ी थी तुलसी पाखर हाँ that connector is not here see that सेठी रही है डिजिटेक्टर कनेक्टर मिलला हाँ एठा यहाँ का माइक लाइक ना I to give mine out
Oh, sorry.
you speak something how many people students get admitted कौन school में सब क्या पढ़ाया है what is being taught in school class what are all taught subjects
Can I tell later? We still didn't finish.
okay
This way, this way.
this way we'll go अच्छा पढ़ लो हाँ
This is the classroom building.
हाँ
The boys have classes here. Then principal's room is also here. Teachers' rooms is also here. The library is also there.
ବାହାରେ ଗୋଟେ ପଡ଼ିଥିଲେ ତା ଆଜ୍ଞା ସାଉଣ୍ଡ ହେଇଥିଲା
पानी में तो दिखाई देगा ना
ଆମର ଭକ୍ତିଙ୍କ ଠାକୁରଙ୍କ ଏ ଯେଉଁ ଭକ୍ତି ଧାମର ସେଠି ଏମିତି ରଖାଯାଇଛି ଧାନ ସବୁ ସେପଟେ ଦେଖି ପୁରା ଲିପା ହେଇକି ଗୋବରରେ
This is more dhan huts. Dhan. They keep dhan inside.
धान को स्टोर करले एक धान हाट की रहती है चूल्हा किचन पाखरे एठी
ଧାନ ଏତେ ରଖାଯାଏ ଆଉ ଥରେ ତାକୁ ଇଏ କଲି ମାନେ ଗୁଡ଼େ ଗୁଡ଼େ ରଖନ୍ତି ଧାନ ଇଏ
This is the samadhi of Suhotra Swami.
ଆଚ୍ଛା ସୁଭଦ୍ର ସ୍ୱାମୀ
Huh. This is his samadhi.
He was in charge of Gurukul, I think.
He was the in charge and then he left.
अच्छा
तो एठी सुहोत स्वामी महाराजंकर एठी समाधि मध्ये रहिछि जोटा भजन कुटी देखले एठी समाधि अछि तांकर एठी गुरुकुल रे से आगुरु इंचार्ज थिले
This is the kitchen go down. They keep all the pots, the vegetables, the spices, everything inside this. It's locked. Otherwise, I would have taken you inside.
एटा ला किचन रो गो डाउन एठी मसला मसली सब बासन कुसन सब एठी रहे एबे ताल्ला पड़छि नहले हम भीतर को नहीं पड़थांते
चलो पड़ जा अपन
You can see from these holes. Samadhi. Yes.
अनि परिवा चावल डाली हळदी गुंड मसला गुंड सब थुआ ହେଇଛି ତ ପରିବା
एठी सुहोत स्वामी महाराज का समाधि अछि तळे एठी सुहोत आ एटा ला किचन रो स्टोर डाटा तो बासन कुशन रहिछि एथरे हां जे गुरुकुल से इंचार्ज थे आगुरु
You can see this Mataji's. No. Yeah, you can see.
ସେ କହୁଛନ୍ତି ଆପଣ ଯଦି ଦେଖିନାହାନ୍ତି ଆପଣ ଦେଖିପାରିବେ ମାଛ
କଣଟା
ଏଇ ଜାଗା
Yes.
ଓକେ
ପନିପରିବା ଅଛି
ଦେଖି ମାଝି ହାତ ଧରି ଯାଅ
शेष खत्म
Hmm.
खत्म शेष फिनिश्ड
ନା ବହୁତ
आसो चलो Nice.
ସବୁ ଏଇଠି ଗୋଟେ ବଡ଼ ଫଟୋ ଉଠେଇବେ ସମସ୍ତେ ବସିଲେ ସାଇଜ୍ କରିକି ବଡ଼ ବ୍ୟାକଗ୍ରାଉଣ୍ଡ ଲାଗିବ ଏଇଠି ବି
they want to take a photo
Sure, sure. No problem.
ଏଇଠି ସମସ୍ତେ ବସି ପଡ଼ନ୍ତି ଗୋଟେ ଫଟୋ ନିଆ ଭାଇ ମଝିକୁ ଆସନ୍ତୁ ଏଇ ମଝିଟାରେ ପୁରା ଉଠେଇବ ହଁ ଏଇଠି ହେଲେ ମଝିଟା ପୁରା ଆସିବ ହଁ ଏଇଠି ଏଇଟା ମଝି କରିବା ଏଇଟା ମଝି କରିବା
ମାତାଜୀମାନେ ଆଗରେ
ऊपर बस जीजियो बस बात
Then also, Prabhuji, everyone can sit down and I'll answer all their questions.
यार you can
Here is small space, less space. There is more big space.
ठीक है क्लासरूम एटी दिस इज माताजी हॉल और प्रभुजी और बोथ स्टूडेंट्स
No, this is the classroom building I explained there, remember?
हां
It's the same.
जी और माताजी हो
No, only Prabhuji's.
माताजी व्हिच क्लास
We don't have girls here, it's only for boys.
तांकर सपोर्ट हो
those days I heard that Mataji's class was held only they won't stay
No, no.
गुरुकुल रे नहीं तुम्हारे बीए एमए रे
M
Yes, yes, Mayapur Academy.
that is
ବାହାରେ ଗୋଟେ ଗୁରୁକୁଳ ଗାର୍ଲସ ମାନଙ୍କ ପାଇଁ ଅଲଗା
हाँ सेट पड़ा गुरु गोशाला हाँ ଏଠି ବସି ଯାଆନ୍ତୁ ସମସ୍ତେ ତାପରେ ଆମର କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚନ ଆନ୍ସର ହବ
बसो 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 बसो
So small space.
तो सज्जन बृंद बसो बसो बस 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 हाँ
ଚପଲ ଗୁଡ଼ା ଆସିବ ନହେଲେ ଯୋଉଠି ବସି ଯାଆନ୍ତୁ ସମସ୍ତେ ତ they want to know कि who can get admitted here
Only for boys, and then also only ages from 5 to 13 highest, 12 highest actually, 12 highest, and then you need to contact Balakrishna Prabhu. You know?
yeah
Yes. Whoever you can give Balakrishna Prabhu's number to whoever wants to get admission.
तो 5 वर्षରୁ 12 वर्ष ଭିତରେ ओनली मेल चाइल्ड प्रभुजी माने पढ़ी परिबे आ जो मैं पढ़े चाहछथि बालकृष्ण प्रभु से एटा देखुछथि डिपार्टमेंट तो से ताऊ कांटेक्ट करि परिबे
And also, you need to stay in the Mayapur. The parents need to stay in Mayapur because it's a daytime school, so they need to go home.
ପୁଅ ପିଲା ବାପା ମା ଆସି ମାଗୁରେ
तो एठी आगु रेसिडेंशियल थिला एबे ओनली डे बोर्डिंग तो आपण मानक पिता माता एठी रहउथिबे जदी ताले पिला माने एठी पढ़ी परिबे
Or they can arrange some guardian.
नहले कि लोकल गार्डियन तमरो रहिबार अछि राति सन पळेबे ना 5:30 रे आसीबे 4:30 रे पळेबे सेथि
ସ୍କୁଲ ଭଳିଆ
स्कूल टा अफिलिएटेड टू कोन जानछन्ती कैम्ब्रिज यूनिवर्सिटी
कैम्ब्रिज यूनिवर्सिटी
इट्स अफिलिएटेड टू कैम्ब्रिज हां
नॉट सीबीएसई
ना नॉट सीबीएसई ए जो कैम्ब्रिज रे पढुछन्ते माने ग्रेड रहिछ तार 1 to 10 तापर से माने चाहिले सीबीएसई को जाय परिबे एसएससी को जाय परिबे बा कैम्ब्रिज रे 11 12 भी कर परिबे एटा तार सिस्टम राइट you like the studies here everything you like here
Yes, of course.
okay
एजुकेशन सलाह रो पड़े जो बजल दो
after your education what you are supposed to do or what you may if any plan if you want to say
For me, I would like to go to TSP, Traveling Sankirtan Party.
अरे वाह
Other boys, they have different choices. They can go to UK for their university if they want, or they can, I don't know, do whatever they want.
जहाँ इच्छा से मैंने परी ये जो सांस्कृतिक संकीर्तन ज्वाइन करिवे आउ जहाँ इच्छा से मैंने कैम्ब्रिज जाई हायर स्टडीज मध्ये कर परिवे ग्रेड 10 पर
UK recognizes this
हां
UK has recognized degree
Yes.
education here
यूके रो कैम्ब्रिज यूनिवर्सिटी को अफिलिएट करछि आउ एनीथिंग एल्स कार कुछ क्वेश्चन अछि आउ किछि
brahmachari like more or just you want to become brahmachari or just
Cambridge, one second. Cambridge education is very expensive outside.
सेटा
Cambridge schools are more expensive than
related to Gurukul you ask
my information, but yes,
yeah
you are able to give that. That is a great case.
हाँ
Good.
so Prabhuji's question he is asking you want to you say
you are
that
trained
trained like a
as a gurukul means
Brahmachari. Yes, brahmachari life is very nice.
but in future you become brahmachari or you become
In the future,
400
I don't know, but
you don't know
I like being a brahmachari. It's quite good.
you have to confirm from the beginning you have to study become brahmachari then you can become brahmachari otherwise
those days they were wearing some white kurta white harinam chadar then yellow harinam chadar different harinam
Yes,
chadar
yes,
also. Now
yes.
it's different.
Now, actually, before the boys used to wear yellow chadars because they have the vatu, the Brahman thread. Now they stopped the vatu system, so now they're not gonna have the yellow chadar.
ସେମାନେ ଘରେ ରହୁଛନ୍ତି they are staying in the house that's
Yes, yes.
ସେଟା ଗୁରୁକୁଳ ମାନେ ଗୁରୁକୁଳ ଆଶ୍ରମ ଯୋଉ ରହୁଥିଲେ ଗୁରୁଙ୍କ ଆଶ୍ରମ ମାନେ
ଆଗରୁ
ରହୁଥିଲେ,
ରହୁଥିଲେ
ଗୁରୁଙ୍କ ଅଧୀନ ରହୁଥିଲେ ଏବେ ପିତାମାତା ଅଧୀନ ରହୁଛନ୍ତି
ସେଇଥିପାଇଁ ରଖୁନା now who may even like Bhakti Vigna Vinashak Narasimha Maharaj is also a member
No,
he is not a
no.
who all teaches here
Teachers. Now, actually, we have a different principal. Now we have a Mataji principal. She is Rochitambar Maraji. She is the principal of Smith SMIS. You know Smith?
No.
It's the second ISKCON school. That school is for boys and girls, and then it's like a normal school, but under ISKCON. That Mataji is also principal of Gurukul. Now she recently, 6 months ago, became the principal of Gurukul.
okay
yeah thank you
प्रसाद
So much.
प्रसाद
धन्यवाद दे दियो
कोई थी बोल राजेश हाँ ठीक
ଏଇଟା ନିଅ। ତାକୁ ଧନ୍ୟବାଦ ସମସ୍ତେ ହରିବୋଲ ଟିକେ ପକେଇ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ।
ओके सो बहुत सुंदर हमको गोटे टूर नहीं गले हमर गुरुकुल रे मायापुर गुरुकुल रे हम समस्ते आज बाय द मर्सी ऑफ आवर गुरुकुल स्टूडेंट पुरुषोत्तम प्रभु
Please help me find this thing in Gurukul. This is
to Mayapur Gurukul.
somewhere in Gurukul. It just fall off from this mic.
The places where they do their seva, their study, and
Okay,
Christianity and all that same place and other things.
I have.
So we are very grateful that Purushottam Prabhu and the Mayapur Gurukul management has agreed for this tour. And let us all thank the Gurukul by chanting on time Hare Krishna Mahamantra. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Srila Prabhupada ki jai. पुरुषोत्तम प्रभु की जय.
अरे भाई ये ब्रह्मचारी छुआ ताकू प्रसाद मागो ताकू प्रसाद बुलाला
You can give me cash. I will put it in. I'll give to principal.
যদি কেউ কিছু ডোনেট করে চাচ্ছেন তাহলে আপনারা এটা আমাকে দিয়ে দেবেন সে প্রিন্সিপাল কে দিয়ে দেবেন
प्रिंसिपल ने
Phone pay. You can pay Balkrishna Prabhu.
गुरुकुल अकाउंट